In today's video, I will walk you through how to ask ChatGPT for suggestions. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, start by opening ChatGPT through the official website or inside the ChatGPT app if you're using a phone or tablet. Once you're signed in, go into a new chat so you can begin typing your questions and requests. Now we're going to focus on using ChatGPT to get suggestions on almost any topic you want. Think of it as a tool where you can ask for ideas, recommendations, or guidance based on a specific subject. For this example, let's say you're interested in application development. Inside the chat box, type something like, "Recommend 5 books about app development," and then send the message. Notice that the request is focused and specific. You're not asking for books in general. You're asking for a certain number of recommendations around a particular topic. Giving a clear prompt helps ChatGPT understand what type of suggestions you're looking for. After a moment, ChatGPT will generate a response with its recommendations. Take a moment to read through the list and see whether the suggestions match what you had in mind. Now, if you don't like the answer you received, you are not limited to only one result. You can select the Regenerate Response option. When you click it, ChatGPT creates another version of the answer. The new response may be different from the previous one, so you can compare results and see which suggestions fit your needs better. You'll also notice a small indicator showing something like 1 of 2 or 2 of 2. This means multiple responses have been generated for that same prompt. You can switch back and forth between them and compare the different recommendations. You can continue regenerating responses if you want more variations. Another thing you'll see is the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. These allow you to leave feedback on the response. If something looks inaccurate or if the answer wasn't helpful, you can choose one of those options and provide additional feedback. You can also ask for suggestions in other categories. For example, you could type something like, "What are some good shows to watch on Netflix?" and ChatGPT will create a list of recommendations for that topic as well. The main idea here is that you can treat ChatGPT like a recommendation assistant and ask for suggestions across many different subjects depending on what you're looking for. And that's how you can ask ChatGPT for suggestions.